In this lecture, we're going to download the source code and make sure you download the file called popthelog.zip file and double click on it to unzip it. Once you do that, this will create a PTS folder. I want you to drill down, open it, and you will see a proj.ios_mac. So double click on the folder and then you will see a game template.xcodeproj. So knowing that you've already installed Xcode, I want you to right click and do open with Xcode. Now, as you can see, I have multiple Xcode of my computer, so I'm going to choose this one, but any Xcode that's version 7 point and up is fine. So how do you know if you have the right version of Xcode? Just click on Xcode, About Xcode, and this will show the version that you're using right now. Alright, so anything above 7 is fine. Now that we've opened that, I want you to click on the top left corner. There's a selection box here, the drop down, and select the iPhone 6 or any other iPhone. Okay, I'm going to actually use the 6S. Now that I've selected the 6S, I'm going to press play. This is a simulator. Now this is going to take a while because it needs to take all the files and bundle them together. Now I've already done that so that I don't want to waste any of your time. And now this will get to run in the iPhone 6S simulator. By the way, if somehow you have yellow warnings here, don't worry about this. These are just warnings, and that's fine. If you have red errors, now this is a problem. Alright, so here we go. We have the iPhone 6 simulator, and we actually have an ad here. Yes, that's how you're going to make money, with the ads that are going to be playing while people use your game. So I'm just going to cross out just for the sake of it, and here we go. We can actually see the game. Alright, so this is the menu and the name of the game. We're going to go through the rescanning process and change all of this. There's the rate button here, the restore purchase, remove ads and restore, the different levels, and the survival mode. So I'm just going to click on survival mode, or you can just tap to start, okay? But I'm going to click on survival. And as you can see here now, there's the Google AdMob banner. That's another source of revenues. And we're just going to press tap, and what you need to do is have the yellow match the red, okay? That's what the purpose of the game is about. And you make points. As you can see, every time I do this, the number of points go up. Alright, so we're going to get to risking this. We're going to change the locker in the background, so the vote is going to be different. We're going to make a different vote, and we can change the graphics, such as the background, and also the fonts, and the colors here, and so on. Alright, as you can see, there's the leaderboard here, and you can share it here. Now, you cannot test the leaderboard in the simulator, but we already know that it works because the app is already in the iTunes App Store. Alright, so let's get started.